Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to make digital stickers to sell on Etsy. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser on your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then go to canva.com. Once in Canva, go to the search bar on the upper right this time. In here, you're going to open another new tab. This will allow you to make a design. Once you are here in canva.com, all you have to do this time is to use the stickers or the graphics available in the website itself, and you are going to be making your very own design so that you will be able to sell it on Etsy. In here, you can add in your very own flavors or how you want it to look like. From colors to graphics to font size to font style, anything could actually be anything that you want. This is your own playground, so play along as much as you want. In here, go ahead and make your own design. Don't worry, I'll be here waiting. Just make sure you take your time so you get good sales. And it's important to add your branding as well. Once you are done and satisfied, all you have to do this time is to tap on the share button on the upper right. And then in here, you can download your image in a PNG file, of course, to make sure you get the highest resolution possible. And then once you are good, click on download. And that's it. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.